29th All Manipur Shooting Competition 2019, organized by All Manipur Rifle Association, kick-started at Khuman Lampak Shooting Range, Imphal today. IAS Bobby Waikhom, Vikram Huidrom and Moidangthem Rachendra Singh attended the opening function. Imphal West Commando apprehended 3 cadres of proscribed group KCP People's War Group along with weapons. According to sources, they were nabbed during counter-insurgency operation at Kiamgai Maning Lekai. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio said that the state would still remain revenue deficit even after the proposed increase of the shares of taxes of states from 42% to 50%. Rio further said that the state has experienced negative receipts every year of the 14th Finance Commission period. The train-checking staff of Guwahati Railway Police today seized 45 kgs of suspected cannabis worth rupees 5 lakh and apprehended a man and a woman in relation to the case. According to official sources, they came from Meghalaya by taxi carrying the 45 kg suspected marijuana and boarded at Rajdhani Express train at Guwahati railway stations to go to New Delhi. At least 3 people were killed and several others injured after a shooter opened fire at a major food festival in California, as per media reports. Police in Gilroy said it was still an active crime scene at the site of the city's Garlic Festival, 48 kilometers southeast of San Jose, one of the largest food festivals in the country.